Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Midas Touch Greens. My name is Vandana Jain and I'm a researcher in Astro Vastu Vedic Science. And today's video is Akshay Tritiya special video. We are going to be talking about this beautiful, auspicious, fortunate time and how we actually celebrate, what is the significance of this beautiful time and what is the way that we can now celebrate at home, because amidst COVID-19 people are exercising and they're getting conscious that they don't go out and buy gold, which is a traditional practice on Akshay Tritiya. So we're going to be knowing a lot about this particular day. How can we celebrate it simply? Because to us, we understand that faith is actually a celebration that is personally exercised. So it does not need to be something which is lavish in nature. So अब हम जब घर पर हैं तो हम अपने सेलिब्रेशन को ब्यूटीफुली और जनरसली किस तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करें. आज हम बात करेंगे विष्णु मंत्र फॉर लक्ष्मी जी, बिकॉज जहां पर हम अक्षय तृतीया की बात करते हैं वहां हम गोल्ड की बात करते हैं, लक्ष्मी जी की बात करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली विष्णु जी साथ में हम बात करेंगे. Because this particular time of the year is one of the auspicious time of the year, and why this is considered to be auspicious, there is a very interesting story behind it, and there are many ways that the many things that actually are there to support this particular day with a fortunate and a good time for every one of us. So what is the reason? Yes, we all know that Akshay Tritiya is also known as Akti or Akha Teej, and this is a spring festival for Hindus and Jains celebrated in India and Nepal, and this falls on the third tithi of Vishakha Mas. Vishakha means churning stick. Churning means that we have to churn out the best of the essence from our soul and we have to make ourselves the purest. What we can do to make ourselves pure? We can do charity. We can do good deeds at home, because certainly we cannot do much this time. So what we can do to celebrate this beautiful time? We can do charity, we can give out to the needy, we can do small fruits, vegetables, we can give them out clothes, we can give them out shoes also. What we can do as a means of good deed is that we can water the plants, we can grow trees, we can exchange planters, we can do something which is actually considered to be the good deed. This is very interesting that we can also chant mantras at home, and how we can do the prayers of the day to enhance our luck in career, name and fame. We are going to be talking about that. To seek the divine blessings of Vishnu ji, Kuber ji and Lakshmi ji together. Yes, why this particular thing is considered to be auspicious? There is a very interesting story in the Hindu mythology. It is considered that Treta Yuga has begun on this day. Very interesting. One Yuga has started on this day, so it is actually the beginning of a very beautiful time. Also, Kuber ji has attained the post of treasurer. So जो खजाना, जो कुबेर जी का खजाना है उसके लिए वो एक पोस्ट उनको आज मिल गई थी. So इसीलिए ये दिन बहुत important है कुबेर जी की पूजा करने के लिए भी. Also, this day is called as Parshuram Jayanti. Parshuram ji is a warrior and he is considered to be the incarnation of Vishnu ji. And Vishnu ji has incarnated Parshuram ji so that he can stand against the unruly kingdoms of the kings of that time. Also, this day is considered to be as Ganga Saptami. Ganga Saptami किसलिए कहा जाता है? Because Ganga ji has descended through Shiv ji on earth to purify the ancestors of King Bhagirath. Yes, this is also one story. When we do know that वेद व्यास जी ने महाभारत लिखना शुरू करा था इस दिन. इंटरेस्टिंग है ना. वृंदावन में कृष्ण चरण के दर्शन आज होते हैं. बद्रीनाथ केदारनाथ जी के कपाट आज खुल जाते हैं. जैन तीर्थंकर आदिनाथ ऋषभ देव जी के जो 13 months का फास्ट था वो आज गन्ने के जूस से उन्होंने खोला था. We have many reasons to celebrate. We do know that when we talk about a particular day, we are understanding the factors that Nothing in tradition is without significance. This day has many fortunate things that has happened on this particular time. So hence we are celebrating Akshaya Tritiya as a Siddh Muhurat, as a fortunate time. So if you have to start anything which is very auspicious, you're not getting any Muhurat, you can do that particular thing on this day. You can start any spiritual activity, you can start any material activity, and you can do a lot of prayers to enhance your luck in name and fame. Yes, today so we are going to be talking about the mantra that is associated with this particular day, that is also called Lakshmi Prapti Mantra or Vishnu Mantra for Lakshmi. So what is the mantra? Let's begin with that mantra. I'll be reciting it twice because it is Sanskrit in nature. So it goes like that. Om Him Shreem Lakshmi Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Greem Shreem Lakshmi Vasudevaya Namaha. This is the mantra that you have to chant thrice when you will be lighting the lamp today, when you're praying. So once you are ready, you have to recite this particular mantra before sleep. When you do your prayers, you have to face north, because north is the direction of Kubera, and you can always light a ghee lamp, offer a lotus flower, and if you cannot find a lotus flower, essence or incense stick can be actually really good as an option. And you can light in incense sticks of rose also, because lotus is very dear to Vishnu ji and rose is dear to Lakshmi ji. And also do this chanting for 3 times or 11 times, however you find yourself comfortable in reciting. So the recitation, the meaning and the pronunciation is very important. So what we have to do, we have to do this chanting, and you will be feeling that the spiritual upliftment will be happening. There will be a growth in your career, name and fame. You'll be seeking divine blessings of Kubera also, Lakshmi ji and Vishnu ji. I hope that all of you all do something today to get the divine blessings on the same very day, and hope you invite manifold blessings and endless unending prosperity on your doorsteps. So just chant this mantra, enjoy this particular video, and if you like this particular content, please do like, share, comment and subscribe us. We are looking forward for more valuable comments from all of you. Hope you can actually have a very good Akshaya Tritiya time. Hardik Shubhkamnaएं to all of you. Thank you so very much. ठीक है.